a banana cake, and we're gonna make some homemade frosting. For the cake, we need some flour, banana flour, 2 eggs, milk, or you could use water too, but we're using milk, it's more healthier. A little bit of oil, some cooking spray, and now we already added the eggs, and now we're gonna add a little bit of milk. That's enough. Uh-oh.
You can pour half of that one.
Half? Okay. Half. Uh-oh. My baby sister is making the batter. It's not too thin or not too thick. Mix it up. Mix the batter. Mix the batter. Mix the batter. Hello, now I'm gonna put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Be careful, you should ask a grown-up for this. And now we're gonna make some frosting, homemade frosting too. And we'll need powdered sugar, some vanilla extract for the taste, some butter, and a little bit of milk. So we're adding 5 spoons of powdered sugar into the mixer or blender. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 and 5. 5. That's it. Oh, sorry. Now we're gonna add the vanilla extract. Now we're adding a little bit of butter.
Let's, as I'm vegan kids eat because I love